Good morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are higher overnight. Had quite a last 3 days in trading in the grain markets, with Thursday sharply higher. Friday, we took off not only most of the gains, but went quite a bit lower, limit down in like corn and wheat. And now we're higher. All the focus is on Ukraine. Right now, Ukraine and Russia are having peace talks. I think they're wide apart, with Russia wanting a surrender. Ukraine wants ceasefire and troops being pulled back. We do see a very large Russian presence heading for the capital. They have taken over 2 cities in the south, but resistance remains strong. For the beans, we're up about 37 cents at $16.21. Meal's up $5, while soybean oil is up 2.8. Corn's up 23, Chicago wheat 43, KC 40, and Minneapolis 35. And some people feel that the results of this peace talks could be key to grain prices. If there is no positive news from the talks, grain prices could turn higher. We also heard that there might be some Ukraine corn sales being switched to the United States on Friday, and maybe more could come. It looks like the Ukrainians may have mined their ports, and without a peaceful resolution, it could be months before Black Sea exports resume. Down in South America, we continue to see warm and dry weather in central Brazil, which could stress their second corn crop. We'll be watching pretty closely Chinese demand, with their feed margins and crush margins declining. We also be watching here in the U.S., where more rain is expected in the Delta, the Tennessee, and the Ohio Valley, while the Western Corn Belt and the Southern Plains will remain mostly dry. Temperatures in March should turn higher, especially in the Southern Plains. As always, we'll be watching for any demand news, but open interest was down 19,000 contracts in beans, 11 in meal, 17,000 in oil, 57,000 contracts in corn, 9,000 in Chicago wheat. Deliveries, there were no corn or meal deliveries, 2 bean deliveries, 28 soybean oil, 240 Chicago wheat, 92 KC wheat, and 172 Minneapolis wheat. So again, we have the State of the Union address tomorrow. We'll see what the president decides to talk about. We'll also be looking ahead in March, see what the Fed does as far as increasing rates. Some people think it might be 50 basis points on the March 16 report. There might be somewhere between 4 and 6 rates in 2022, 3 to 5 in 2023. We'll see what that does to our economy. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.